Hey there everyone, today we're going to be going through cleaning alloy wheels. We're going to spray acid-free wheel cleaner. I'm going to give it a good amount everywhere. Next we're going to go for a citrus wash all over the tyres, get out any of that embedded dirt. And then we're going to use our snow foam cannon just to give us an extra bit of lubrication, and making sure we're getting all up in the arches to move any of the dirt from the road that are in your arches, whether they're carpet or plastic. We're then going to grab our barrel brush and thoroughly go through each spoke, making sure you cover yourself again and again, that way you're not going to miss any spaces. Don't worry about going over things twice. We're then going to grab our tyre brush and agitate all of the citrus wash that we've got on there, as well as the snow foam. As you can see, it's starting to turn brown. This is a good indication that the dirt is being lifted into your cleaning products and is be ready to be washed off. I'm going to use my microfiber cloth and we're going to go around all of the alloys. Take your time, get up in the grooves, there's no rush. And finally we're going to grab our bolt brush and we're just going to go up into every single bolt, just getting all in there, making sure that every little bit of that wheel is clean. Give yourself a little inspection, make sure nothing's been missed. Spray in the arches just to remove any of the heavy sediment. And then rinse